guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. My dog is freaking chowing down a bone right over there, so that's why I was laughing. But I just did a nice haul for fall. Getting some nice pieces, even though it is 89 degrees out today. So since it's nice and it is Dan's birthday weekend, I'm sure he can hear me right now, we're gonna go out to lunch, hopefully somewhere we can bring Brooks. So I'll show you my outfit because I think it's cute. Again, we're coming into fall and people are like wearing all their fall clothes on Instagram, but it's 89 degrees out in New York City, so I still have to wear a sweater. I still have to wear a dress, but let me show you. Whoa, getting dizzy. This dress is from H&M. Honestly, could use a little steam, but I'm too lazy. Yeah, and then my violet necklace, I will link it down below, it's from my store, and my Brooks necklace. And then I slept in braids last night and put some texturizing spray and some oil in, and I think it's good enough. No curls necessary. Yeah, that's the outfit. I also made my own granola last night. Which I think I filmed a little bit of it, but it's like this orange, our Spindrift collection, I can't. So it's like orange, cranberries, cinnamon, oats, coconut oil, and slivered almonds, and it tastes delicious. I gotta put it in a container. I'll do that right now. This is gonna be tedious. We're at lunch at the Flying Cock. That's what it's called. Beef, how you feel? It's a little windy, it's gonna rain soon. Yeah, I got a chicken, oh look at that ciabatta. And you got a steak sandwich, I got a chicken sandwich. Brooks is very interested, sit. All right, I just went to the grocery store and Dwayne Reed. I needed to say I was running some errands. Let me know if anybody relates. If you live with your boyfriend, it's literally impossible to surprise them. I'm trying to bake Dan a cake, but it's impossible because he always knows what I'm doing because we're all together all the time. So I got a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna bake him a cake. Okay, like I said, I have to be quiet because Dan is in the other room and I can't be blasting it, but I got some things to make him a cake. Some frosting, and then some food coloring because I'm gonna write on it. And then I have some birthday candles that I always have. And yeah, so I'm gonna make the cake now. I wish I had, I only have this big pan, so I'm gonna bake one pan and then layer them on top of each other. That's what I did with my friend's cake and it looked really good. Alright, this is the worst thing I've ever made. But hopefully it tastes nice. It like fell apart and broke, but it's alright.
Where were you hiding it?
I will never tell. Alright, we got takeout for dinner, bang bang cauliflower, bao buns, and steak bulgogi. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. And then cake. Num 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 num. Look at those raspberries in there. First bite. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
Yes, you do.
Cheers. Up.
It's not followed by I can't cheers. Couldn't possibly cheers.
Mmm.
Yum yum.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cheers. Time for tea. Does this have caffeine? Night. I don't know if I ever gave you guys a bit of an update, but this is the bedroom. I love it. So the bed, I'll link down below, but it's like my favorite bed ever. It's from Modway. Then these are from IKEA. I loved the color. These are from Target, and we hung these mirrors, which I just think make the room look so nice. These are from IKEA. They were super easy to hang. And then I have these are also from IKEA. That's Brooks's pig and his little favorite blanket. I think this is from TJ Maxx or something. But yeah, I'm obsessed with how this looks. My tissue box is from Container Store. I have a little diptyque candle. These are coaster, and this is for like jewelry at night. But I love how this bedroom came out.